when I'm lonely, baby. It's like my friends don't know me. Girl, I used to be my homie.
Welcome people, welcome back to the channel, and if you are new, welcome. It's your girl Tamika, and I just got back from Costco. We went into the grocery shopping because after the New Year's, fridge empty, fridge want clean, so that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I'm gonna just give you guys a quick little grocery haul, and then I'm going to be cleaning the refrigerator and stocking out these stuff. So that's the vibe right now. This portion of the video is brought to you by Epic Water Filters. So let's talk about my water, because this is something we use every single day, and how convenient it would be to get your water straight from the tap. So today I'm partnering with Epic Water Filters, and first let's show you what comes inside the box. You get the under sink filtration system, the filter cartridge, all the tubing, hardware, and easy to follow instructions. Everything you need for installation. You've been thinking about upgrading your water. This is such an easy switch. You can use my code Tamika15 to get 15% off your first purchase, and I have all the details linked below in my description box. It's installed, it connects directly to your tap and starts filtering right away. This system helps reduce chlorine, heavy metals, and other contaminants while keeping beneficial. Now let's go ahead and test this out. This is my water straight from the tap, but cleaner, fresher, and better tasting. I love that it's hidden under the sink, doesn't take up counter space, and works perfectly for drinking, cooking, and filling bottles for the family. So we went to Costco, like I mentioned. We spent $547. Okay. Yeah. So that's that. And then you guys, I'm going to be putting the receipt on my Fetch app, so you get points. I think I told you this before. Yeah, so that's that. So let me just give you the quick haul that I got from Costco. So we got some sausage, Vienna sausage. Got these Belgian waffles. Got 2 of those. Boys like those. I got this Cetaphil lotion, because according to Yuka, this is very good. And all those other lotions, with those EOS and all of those, they're not good. Like, not good at all. So 2026, I want to start eating healthier, using products that are good for your skin, externally as well. I got these Alfredo sauce from Costco. I got some potatoes. I got some chicken, and I get thigh, and I got drumsticks. That's what I mainly use. I don't like breast, too meaty. And then I got these bar soap. These were the best option when I checked it on the Yuka app. It was, I think, let me see. Let me just make sure. It was this and the Dr. Brenner, but Dr. Brenner was like $20 for 6, and I was like, yeah, no, we'll just get this one here, because it was only $15 or $11, and this is 83 out of 100. Yeah, and this is the Yuka app, guys. You guys should get it, because it not only just check your food, it also checks like these, like lotion, body products, and stuff like that, shampoo. So this one here, this is 86 out of 100. The best one was the Aveeno, but they didn't have the Aveeno, so we went with the Cetaphil. Yeah, and then the next I got some salad. Yeah, and it's the Mediterranean Crunch chopped kit. This one is the one I love. I think I got like 5 of those, and then I got this Caesar salad kit, and I take these to work with me. I got some hot dog sausage. The boys like these. I don't even know if it's good, but Let's see. Yeah, oh, 0 out of 100. Very bad. Very bad. Like, nothing in it is good. That's crazy. And then got these chicken wings. We normally get these chicken wings, but this time they had this one here, honey barbecue sauce. So I wanted to try it. Usually we get the buffalo wings. Let me see, because I didn't even check it to see if it's good or not. Wow, yeah, poor 49 out of 100. It's definitely not good. And then, like I mentioned, we got the buffalo wings also. This one is even worse. 8 out of 100. That's crazy. Like, But the good thing with this app is that it gives you recommendations. So that one was 8 out of 100, and then they suggested a recommendation. They give you the rotisserie chicken strips, and that one is 72 out of 100. Yeah. So we got this also, chicken breast, tenderloins. Let me see if this is good. This is good. It's 69 out of 100, so that came back good. And we got some garlic buttered shrimp. No good either. 22 out of 100. Alright. I got some chips. I don't need to scan this guy. We don't know good already. We got corned beef, and we got some wild Pacific sardines. Is that the sardine? Sardine, excellent, 75 out of 100. Corned beef, 1 out of 100. That's crazy. And the boys got these taquitos. They like that. And bad, 45 out of 100. Got some corn. These sweet corn, they're so good, but I don't even know if they're, might not, let's just check it. Yeah, that's, they can't even recognize that. And then they got some pumpkin seed and flax seed. I got this in. Oh, feels good. 70 out of 100. We got the honey nut Cheerios that they say is made from real honey. Let's see what it is. 8 out of 100. You know, I think these people just lying to us. They just put anything on these labels and say anything, and then the ingredients say otherwise. Can help lower cholesterol, yeah, but it's killing you in some other way. I got the skinny pop, a popcorn, because he didn't like it, but he liked the parrot booty, but parrot booty was not good. And this one here, the skinny pop, this is good. It's 60 out of 100, so I got that. Then I got these tuna chicken breasts, and this should be good. Oh wow, 49 out of 100. We got some bacon. We know they're not good, so. And then I got some sweet potatoes to bake those. And I got these organic fruit mix because I want to start making back my smoothie. So it takes to work. 88 out of 100, so that's good. Then, oh, I got some detergent soup. I got the Kirkland brand Oxy powder, and it's high efficiency So yeah, this was good, and it was just $12, like $11.99. And I got some penny, but yeah, we could make pasta. Alright, we got this Kirkland apple juice. Oh, that's good. 60 out of 100. We got these eggs. It says caged free. 84 out of 100. Excellent. And then I have these asparagus. I have some plantains. I have more of these salad. I bought some gummy vitamins for Hayden so he could take. Yeah, let me check. I didn't check this. Let me see if it's good. Alright, they can't recognize that. And then we got some grapes. I got some avocados. Got some whole wheat bread. I got milk. Got some clementines. I got these mini pepper because I don't like to buy a big one. I think they waste. I got this maple syrup. And then we have these lemon juice. You got some pepperoni pizza for the boys. And I got this oatmeal. And this is really good. This one came out excellent. It is, yeah, what was it at? 100 out of 100. So that's really good. I like oatmeal. And I got my canola oil because this one is the best right now. That's affordable. 78 out of 100. And yeah, I think that concludes our little shopping haul. Right now I want to go ahead and clean the refrigerator out so I can go ahead and start putting these stuff away. So yeah, let's get into that.
What you do to me, between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, cause the love you give, you can't be replaced. See no one else can do what you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is so mine and a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is mine and a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Let me know what you guys use to clean your refrigerator. Like, is there a specific product you use? Because I'm just using hot water, the bleach, and some dishwashing soap. So let me know if you guys use something different. This is the current state of the refrigerator right now. Very dirty. Very dirty. Look at that. Look at that. They spilled juice in here. So, yeah, that's what we're working with. So we're gonna go ahead and get this cleaned up.
Leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me, love, everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly. I can't deny. I got a crush on you. That's true indeed. I'm digging you. You make me believe. Your love is more than a million. Your love is on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, all day long. Your love is one feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. There's no one else tell me what to do. That's bottom line. So my love with you, I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's truly, and I'm digging you, you make me believe. Love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on.
Alright guys, so just got done cleaning the refrigerator, the cupboards, and I packed away all the stuff, and yeah, now I want something to eat. I am hungry. It is 3:18. I think I've been doing this for like 2 hours. Why? Alright, so I'm gonna find something to eat.
Now, ladies, only if you stress through. Fuck you. Fuck you. Hey! C'est ma tafille. I don't care. I love it. Yeah, 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 yeah. Put your hands up. Hey! Fuck your man. Oh! We don't need jump. Oh! Everybody sing. Sing. I got the dirty love. Are you single? Oh yeah, what? You're single? Are you single? Are you single?
I might think of saying goodbye.
See you. Fuck that, fuck that, fuck that, fuck that, fuck that. That boy say a man with 2 foot.
Mr. Mikey, we get the thing them out of luck now.
Guys, I made it to work. It is 7:41. I have like 20 minutes, 19 actually. So I'm gonna get my stuff together. Let me just brush up my hair and I'm going here. So alright guys, so I'll see you all later when I'm done working, or maybe on my break, I don't know. Alright, so it's so bleaky outside. It's not cold though, because it's like 39 degrees right now and it's gonna be like 48, so that's great, but it's just bleaky out. Like it's a drizzle. So I'm gonna head inside now, start my day. Alright guys, so I am back home from work, like a whole hour and a half later. So I'm going to make some tacos, something quick and fast. I already got the ingredients and all of that stuff. Alright guys, so we have our beef. And I have my taco kit. I have this one here. This is the 12 shells, crunchy. It comes with the taco sauce and the seasoning mix. And then I also have this one. This is the crunchy and soft taco kit. But I don't think I want to use this one because it has a soft one, and yeah, we don't want the soft one today. Not today. So I'm just gonna use the old El Paso with the crunchy shells. Hi guys. Alright, so just got home from work and it's Friday, yeah. But this is where I'm going to go ahead and close this week's video out. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, and if you did, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and yeah, tell a friend to tell a friend. So until next time, go and big up on yourself. Have a great weekend. Be safe. Bye.